Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Elise and I am doing a cleaning video today. I need to do a major tidy up of the house. It is a snowy day here in Idaho today, so it's the perfect time to snuggle up, be warm, and clean the house. So like I was saying, I just need to do a big tidy up and then a little bit of light cleaning. And because it is a nice cold day, I switched up my meal plan and I will be doing a pot roast in the crock pot tonight. And we also have our horse lessons starting up for our daughter tonight. So this will be an easy meal where I won't be scrambling around at 6:30 trying to figure out how to put dinner together. But upstairs needs a little bit of attention as well. So I'll be working up there today too, including in my toddler's room. We are back to sleep training now that all of our company is gone and he has wrecked it. So I'm going to start off today by stripping all the kids' beds and getting their sheets downstairs and into the wash. Just because it takes so long, I want to make sure that I can get their sheets back on the bed tonight because these are their only set of flannel sheets. And like I was mentioning earlier, it is snowing today, so it's going to be a chilly evening. And I love to make sure that they're nice and toasty at night. I do typically start downstairs, so that's why I'm up here first, just to get the laundry going.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And yes, Hank is wearing his Spider-Man pajamas again. We actually just had to cut the feet off of these ones because he was poking holes through them. We probably wash them every day. Actually, I know I've been washing them every day along with his Captain America outfit because he alternates between the two, sometimes both of them in the same day. So he loves these jammies and he just runs around the house shooting his webs and it's hilarious.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat. And on we'll go.
I have bins, as you can see here, underneath Hank's bed and also underneath Haley's bed, and those bins just store their keepsake items like classwork or hospital things. So I keep those under the beds because out of sight, out of mind, and no one messes with them really for the most part. The kids are never pulling those out, but that way it's just an easy storage thing and I don't have to worry about them being in the garage and getting messed up or mildewy.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by thunder.
I'm going to touch up some laundry right now, and can you guess how many times I've touched up this same load of laundry in the last 2 days? Leave me a comment down below if you are the kind of person that is always on top of it and you get your laundry out as soon as it's done, or let me know if sometimes it takes a couple of touch-ups before you grab the laundry out.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because
just going to give my bathroom and the guest bath downstairs a quick wipe down in the vanity area and then the pedestal sink in the other bathroom. I'm trying something new where I'm trying to clean this off, this area, every day. We do have the leathered black granite, so it's like a matte finish. It's not a polished granite, and it shows every little thing, and I love the look of it. You just really have to stay on top of cleaning it. Dusting used to be one of my favorite chores, but now it's probably vacuuming. I love using my Dyson stick vac, the cordless one. It's amazing. I even use it upstairs, even though our old Dyson is up there in Hank's closet. I just don't like to pull it out unless I really have to, or unless my battery is dying. And you'll see in this video also that my battery didn't die and I vacuumed the entire house. I didn't show it, but I do vacuum my bedroom as well as the bathroom and laundry room and the kids' bath upstairs.
Down the finish line.
There's that load of laundry, yay!
Minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again.
upstairs is usually not that bad. Hank typically hangs out with me downstairs most of the day, so I just need to do a quick pickup and then I can vacuum and dust up here. Have to pick up Haley's sea of pillows over here before I can vacuum in her room. She has so many pillows on her bed. Leave me a comment down below how many pillows you like to sleep with. With Haley, it's about 7. How cute was Hanky when he was vacuuming? He melts my heart. So I am finishing up by vacuuming the kids' rooms and the hallway and the living room, and then I will be all done until it is nap time or until tonight when the kids go to bed so that I can mop. I prefer to do it when everyone's sleeping so that no one steps on it before it dries. And we do have the vinyl plank flooring downstairs and it dries really quickly, so during nap time is perfectly fine for me. But I might just do it tonight so that the floors don't get all messed up before tomorrow. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.